Hey everyone, Ariel Adams here with a blog to watch. I'm at Basel World 2013 with Jaquet Droz, looking at a very special diamond-covered version of the Bird Repeater, which is a watch that has a minute repeater with some automatons. And this is a one-of-a-kind piece that's covered with diamonds. I thought it would be a cool one to show the watch in action with this one. So here we go. Let's start it up. So as you can see, there's a range of animation on the dial here. You have this waterfall, which is moving, and you have the birds moving. One more time. Once again, we're at Basel World 2013 with Jaquet Droz. You've just seen the amazing Bird Repeater watch. Thanks.